in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create powerful pivot tables here in Google Sheets with the help of Gemini. So this is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. And today we're making pivot tables. So no need to drag and drop fields or guess which setup works best. Just describe what you want, and Gemini analyzes your data, builds the pivot table, and even suggests the best layouts for you. It saves time, removes confusion, and helps you get the insights much faster. So to create your pivot table based on your data right here, what we're going to do is to open Gemini first. Let's go to this icon right here, click on it, and it will open the Gemini panel on the right side. Here at the bottom, this is where we're going to enter our prompt. So in creating your prompts, you just have to be straightforward. Tell Gemini what you want to do. Be specific as you want if there are some specifications that you want to include, and put it right here. So I'm just going to put in my prompt right here. Here we have it. So I wanted to create a pivot table that summarizes my data, show the average annual salary per department with a head count. So if I press enter or click on this arrow right here, that would submit my prompt. Now Gemini is analyzing our data, and it has created a pivot table on a new sheet right here. So if we click on it, there we have it. So I've created a pivot table summarizing the data. It shows the average annual salary, a head count for each department, and it should be in a new sheet, which is this one right here. So now we have the average annual salary per department and the count of staff per department as well. There you have it. And after creating that pivot table, it also suggested some other prompts that you might want to create with your data. For example, adding a column chart or a calculation of the overall average annual salary, and even sorting your pivot table in descending order. If we click on this one right here, and there you have it, it has sorted the same pivot table that it created on our spreadsheet right here. So now our department is in descending order. So using Gemini isn't just convenient, it's smart. You save time, avoid errors, and get meaningful summaries even if you're not familiar with the pivot table setup. So it's perfect for beginners, super helpful for busy teams, and powerful for anyone who needs clean insights fast. And that's how you can create powerful pivot tables using Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.